How to use MySkool Teacher app. Logging into the app, open the MySkool Teacher app on your device. Enter your registered mobile number and log in. Enter the verification code received via SMS or WhatsApp. Assigning homework, tap on Class Homework to assign homework to students. Select the class and section. Choose the date for the assigned homework. Select the subject for which you want to assign homework. Enter the homework title and attach a PDF file if needed. Click the tick button to save. Marking attendance. Tap on Attendance to mark student attendance. Select the class, section, and date. Red dots indicate absent students. To mark a student present, tap on their name. The red dot will turn green, confirming attendance. Entering examination. Marks, tap on Examinations. Select the class, section, academic year, and exam type. Choose the subject, then enter the student's marks. Save the results once all entries are completed. Sharing learning resources. Tap on Resources to share study materials with students. Select the class and section. Choose the subject and enter the resource title. Attach relevant files or notes for students. Click Save to share the resource. Viewing your profile. Tap on My Profile to check your attendance records. View your monthly statistics for present, absent, leave, and late entries. Tap View Record to see detailed attendance history. Starting online classes. Tap on Online Class to begin a virtual session. Select the subject and enter the class topic. Click Start Class to initiate the session. Submitting requisitions. If you need any teaching materials or resources, submit a requisition through the app. Add the required product details and specify the quantity needed. Write a note explaining the request. Click Save to submit your requisition. You can track whether your request is approved or rejected under the Requisition tab. Tap on the chat bubble icon at the top right corner of the screen. Send messages or voice notes to communicate directly with the admin. Thank you for watching.